That took forever. Go give away $1,000 to 10 random strangers. I know you just got back, Nolan, but here's a briefcase with $10,000 in real money. Sayonara. We are about 13 button presses in, and so far, so many crazy things have happened. Tags is currently kicking a field goal, Nolan is giving away money, Chris and Carl in corners, Chandler's playing video games. It's crazy. I can't wait to see who wins $100,000 for their sister.
I'm not leaving this corner until I pee.
Wait.
You want $1,000?
Yeah, I want it.
There you go.
And what?
Enjoy.
That's it.
Ah, thank you!
Three, camera, three.
A pig.
Oh, Jimmy!
I take it you peed? Oh, it smells.
This one's the 100K.
This
is the
next
big
press
one.
is the
Right here.
$100,000.
I'm feeling it. Ready?
Beat Minecraft. Carl now has to beat Minecraft.